I started working from a very young age, babysitting my brother and sister's friends when I was like 10 or 11. And then I had my first job at 14 in a clothes shop, which wasn't legal, but I begged my friend. What was really interesting was that money at the time for me seemed to be freedom. So I was just working to make money, and that was my ticket out. And then that led me to my time in finance, where I studied economics at the University of Bath. I did a bachelor's in science, and then I started working on the trading floor. I actually had a very successful career for my age. I really started questioning life. Many things were happening. I was disillusioned with the system, felt lied to, and I really started questioning things. Also, my personal life, things were not working so well. My father got ill, and so I really started questioning the meaning of life and what it was. And that's when my journey started. My interest when I was studying at Schumacher College was money. I mean, it's driven me my whole life, and I can see that through trading it was one of the main points. I mean, we were dealing in hundreds of millions. There, I realized like it's just an energy. For me, it's like water, or it's like the blood in the body. It needs to flow. I don't believe we can change the outside economic system without changing within. By saying, I don't like the system, I don't like how this works, I bring us back to the individual and say, well, how do you relate to money? What do you choose? How do you act with this energy in your life? So first, the interesting thing about the course is that, and we're going on a journey. So the journey starts with our actual current situation. We do a meditation, we reflect on this, and then we go deeper into a money game, where you really bring actual money with you and you look at your relationship through dynamic exercises and interactions with people. We do self-reflection at the same time, really seeing what comes up. So we really get into the action of it, to exchanging, to receiving and giving, how you feel in these situations. I'm really inviting people to have insights about their relationship to money and their personal, emotional connection to this, and to open up to opening to this energy in a new way. So to sum it all up, for me, it's bringing us back into flow. When money was invented, it was not invented to be stored or wealth or accumulated. How money came into being was that, for example, you had chickens and the other person had bread, but I wanted to buy apples. We had to exchange barter system one-to-one, and it made it very complicated if someone wanted something else. And so what happened is money was invented so it allowed the flow to work easier, so you could barter in an easier way. It was never invented to be accumulated, stored. It's like in the body, I look at it as money is like blood. And if you have too much stored somewhere, if it's not flowing properly, you have a clot. It's not healthy. And it's the same thing. So I really want to bring back this flow into money, this flow into your being, and this flow of interacting with it, a new way of relating to this energy.